Good morning, afternoon, or evening. My name is Dustin Raiken, and I'm an Assistive Technology Assistant with Front Range Community College, Boulder County campus. Today, I would like to highlight some of our IDK Word guides, or I didn't know Word could do that. IDK Word consists of 1 to 2 page guides that cover Word features to help you be more efficient and inclusive. Structured into 3 questions: what is it, where is it, and how do I use it? Each guide prioritizes simplicity and user-friendliness. Compatibility with both the Word 2019 desktop app and Office 365 Online are included. We will cover features that can help instructors make their documents flexible, usable, accessible, and inclusive for all. Bookmark the link bit.ly/IDK-Word to easily access all of our IDK Word guides. Check Accessibility is a feature that checks your document for any accessibility errors, warnings, or issues, and it also lets you immediately fix these errors. There are 2 ways to open the Accessibility Checker. In the Review tab, select Check Accessibility. Or, in the File menu, select Info, open Check for Issues, and select Check Accessibility. To correct an accessibility error, expand a group of errors, hover over an element, and select the arrow that appears to the right to view solutions. You can apply the solution without needing to go back into your document and navigate to the error unless you are using Office 365 Online. Check Keep Accessibility Checker Running While I Work to pin the Accessibility Checker to the status bar at the bottom. Styles are a powerful tool which applies semantic meaning to your text. You can use them to quickly and easily change a document's appearance without needing to manually edit text. For example, you can change documents to meet different submission formats just by modifying their styles. Styles are also inclusive. Styles can help you navigate your document. Automatically create a table of contents from your styled text, or use the navigation pane to jump to a heading. A styled document also transfers into a learning management system, such as Desire to Learn or Canvas, or a PDF file. Most importantly, styles can make your documents easier to read and understand. Perhaps the most important styles to use are headings, which assign semantic hierarchy to your text. For instance, Heading 1 would be the main idea or title, Heading 2 would be used for sections, and subheadings or supporting information would be Heading 3. This hierarchy lets you organize your information like an outline and create chunking inside your document, making it easier to understand. Good heading structure also makes documents easier to navigate. You can use the navigation pane to move through the headings in your document by pressing Ctrl F. Styles are in the Home tab. The Styles section shows a preview of the settings for each style. The default settings come from the theme that can be assigned in the Design tab. You can also use the keyboard to apply headings using Ctrl-Alt-1, 2, or 3, or open the Apply Styles dialog using Ctrl-Shift-S. To apply a style, select the text and then choose a style. Use the down arrow icon at the bottom right to expand the Styles box, which lets you view more styles and access the style options. To modify a style, right-click the style and select Modify. You can change the color and font of a style in this menu, or by opening the Format drop-down at the bottom left, you can apply additional formatting such as paragraph spacing or borders. To create a new style, select the More arrow at the bottom right and select Create a Style. Choose a name for the style, and then modify it according to your needs. You can also tweak a defined style and save it as a new one, This is the method you would use in Word 365 Online. Overall, styles are vital to creating a usable and accessible document. Support your inclusive multilingual document with the Language tool. When you use the Language tool to change the internal language of text, proofing will occur in that language, and text-to-speech programs will read that language in a specialized voice. The language tools are found inside the Review tab in the Language dropdown. Set Proofing Language defines the language of your text, while the Language Preferences lets you manage which languages Word uses for its interface and for proofing. To change the language, select the text, select Set Proofing Language, and then choose your language. You can also set whether you want Word to automatically detect the language in your document or disable proofing for the language. A great way to enhance the readability and accessibility of your Word documents is to embed links inside the text. Most people know you can link to web pages and email addresses, but you can also link to other documents and even headings and bookmarks within your document. When embedding links, provide link text that identifies the purpose and destination. Refrain from using link text such as "click here," as it does not contain any meaning. If your information is likely to be printed, parenthetically adding the destination link also helps. Screen readers hear links read aloud as they tab through a document. Imagine having to listen to a long, nonsensical string of letters and numbers. You would have no idea what the link means or where it is supposed to go. There are multiple ways to add a link as shown in this slide. One way is to select the Link button in the Insert tab. You can also select the text you want to use before clicking Link. When embedding a web link, paste the link into the address box at the bottom. Enter the text for the link in the Text to Display box at the top. If desired, you can also give your link a screen tip by choosing the Screen Tip button in the top right and typing it in the window that appears. Alt text is an alternative method to understand images and their content. A good alt text caption is brief, usually 1 or 2 sentences, yet describes the content of the image and how it relates to the text. It is a vital accessibility option for screen reader users. To add alt text to an image, select the image, select the Format tab, select alt text, and write a brief description in the text box. A more inclusive way to describe an image is with captions, or descriptive summary text used in tandem with an image. Captions add accessibility support for all users. While alt text adds accessibility for screen reader users, any text-to-speech program can read a caption aloud. To insert a caption, select an image, equation, or table, navigate to the References tab, and select Insert Caption. Write a brief caption in the window that appears, and change the labeling and numbering as you wish. Word 365 Online does not support this feature, but you can write captions as plain text or discuss the figure within your text. Do you have anything that you type over and over, such as course descriptions, required syllabus statements, or even the name of your college or university? Using Quick Parts makes this process painless. You can insert user-created Quick Parts, document properties, or fields. To access Quick Parts, go to the Insert tab and open the Quick Parts dropdown. Once the dropdown is open, select a Quick Part to instantly add it to your document. You can also type in the first few letters of the Quick Part and then press F3 to autocomplete it, letting you add Quick Parts with the keyboard. To create and save your own Quick Part, select the text and other elements you want to save, open the Quick Parts dropdown, and select Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. Once you fill in all the fields and save it, you can add it from the Quick Parts dialog or type the first few letters and press F3. The last feature we will highlight today is autocorrect. Autocorrect runs in the background and automatically repairs spelling or proofing errors. You can also use autocorrect to insert text or expand abbreviations. To access the autocorrect options, open the File tab, select Options, select Proofing, and then select Autocorrect Options. To enable autocorrect, check Replace Text as you type. Use the Replace and With boxes to add your own corrections. Today we talked about IDK Word, a powerful suite of guides that help you understand Word's more complicated or little-known features. Features such as check accessibility and headings can help make your documents more inclusive and accessible. Other features can help increase your productivity and efficiency when working in Word. These guides can help you in both Word 2019 and Office 365 online. You can read them online, download them to your computer, or print them out. Be sure to check out our IDK Word guides at bit.ly/IDK-Word. You may also be interested in our Getting Started guides for at-home support, which cover many different programs and web extensions to increase accessibility and offer academic support. Feel free to contact us at bcdisabilityservices@frontrange.edu to learn more. Thank you all for your time.